Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove a hyperlink from a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so you can link another spreadsheet, another website, a PDF, Google Drive document in your Google Sheets spreadsheet, and you can remove these hyperlinks. So of course what you can do is just delete the link altogether, but you might want to just remove the link that is inserted into the cell. So you still want to have the name of the website, for instance, in this example, or another text. You still want the text to be visible in the cell, but you just want to remove the link from the cell. In that case, what you have to do is select the cells you want to remove the hyperlinks from, then right click on the selected cells, and you're gonna see view more column actions, and you're gonna see remove link, and as you can see the links have been removed. Now if I click on these cells, nothing will happen, so the links have been removed. So now this is how to remove hyperlinks in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.